Okay.
In the face.
Okay,
Go.
go. Come on.
Come on. Take two.
I can't get it. I cannot get it.
You can, come on. You can do it.
Come on.
Do it.
You can do it.
Bounce it like you're getting some. Didn't you show us on the treadmill how to do it? Hey,
Mom,
do
do what
it.
you were doing last night because your butt hurt so bad on that
You
carpet.
can do it.
I don't want to.
You're gonna kick the fire out of this motherfucker.
Come on.
I see you. You're goddamn getting a running start on this motherfucker.
Come on, Devin. Bounce.
This can't go
Look
on.
at him. He's
About to
like,
go down, Daniel. Come on.
I'm gonna get you, motherfucker. Like he's gonna tackle me and
Devin, will you
Okay.
bounce?
Open them when you're in there.
Oh yeah. Split second from here to here.
Yeah,
Come on.
Fuck it up.
Wow, Negra.
Devin, you got to be the slowest person.
I did it like first try.
See that?
Poor Corbin wasn't even on his second bounce before he was in the air.
Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it.
Oh, my baby.
You were leaning forward too.
Ass.
Pretty crazy, that thing.
I don't know which one I'm doing right now.
Did you get that? I got it. You did?
Hey, I think
I'm zooming in.
boil, dude.
Hold up.
No.
Not the boil.
Oh, shit.
Dead ass or something.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, fuck y'all.
It's your turn, Chris.
Turn, motherfucker.
Your turn, Chris.
Chris is saying.
After that, you gotta
Hang on, no, Chris has got to get videotaped to him.
If I can
Are you-
fix it.
I'm still recording.
Stop it and record.
I believe
Okay, how do you stop it?